Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade strawberries and cream ice cream. So let's get started. I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I cut up and diced about 20 strawberries. They're fresh strawberries. I have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. It's 14 ounces. I'll add the sweetened condensed milk and the 2 cups of heavy cream in my bowl and mix it until it forms a stiff peak. Along with my 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and my 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, I also added a splash of vanilla extract and a cup of powdered sugar. I'll mix this until it forms a stiff peak. Almost there. Now I'll check. That's good. So now I'll fold in my strawberries. So I diced up these strawberries small. Now I'll fold them into the mixture. So this is going to be my strawberries and cream ice cream. Once I have the strawberries folded in, I'll place it in my freezer to firm up. Look at how good that looks already. That looks good. I'll give it a try. That's going to be really good. So now I'll transfer this into a different bowl, cover it, and place it in my freezer. So into the freezer it goes until it firms up, and then we'll give it a try. The ice cream's been in the freezer for a couple of hours, so now I'll take the foil off. Ooh, that looks good. So now I'll put some in a bowl. I'll just try a little. Doesn't that look good? Nice and creamy. So now that I have it in my bowl, I'll give it a try. Wow. This is really good. Very refreshing. Be great on a real hot day. Wow, this is really good. Deserves a second bite. Really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade strawberries and cream ice cream. It's really good. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.